Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered how much YouTube actually pays for 1000 views in 2024? Well, in this video I will be breaking down to you exactly how much YouTube paid me for a video that got me 1000 views. Stick around with me for all the details, and I'll also explain to you how the YouTube payment system actually works. Now we are going to look at how much YouTube actually paid me for a video that got me 1000 views. This is a video I posted on my tech channel on the 5th of August 2024. That particular video talks about tech, and the video got me 1k views. Yes, and also the same video got me 32.0 watch time. You understand? And the subscribers, the video got me 3 subscribers, yeah, within that period of time. And finally the video made me $1.78 for 1000 views. Yes, I want to first of all explain to you how the YouTube payment system actually works. The metrics are the CPM and the RPM. In the YouTube payment system, we have what they call CPM and RPM. CPM stands for a cost per 1000 views, and the RPM stands for revenue per 1000 impressions. Now the CPM is how much the advertisers are willing to pay YouTube for 1000 views. 1000 ads views. The CPM is different for every content creator. The CPM depends on the type of content that you create, the kind of audience that watches your video, and many other factors. The CPM ranges from $1 to $10. And I have seen channels that make more than $10 per CPM for their CPM. You understand? And it all depends on the content and the audience that watches their videos. And also the RPM is ranging from 0.50 cents up to $5. So now you understand how the YouTube payment system actually works. The next thing is we are going to dive into the numbers. Like I explained to you about the YouTube payment system, and one thing I want you to understand is that all videos are not being paid the same. Every video has its own unique, and there are several factors that determine how much YouTube is going to pay you for 1000 views on your video. And I want to tell you 3 important factors that contribute to your earnings as a content creator on YouTube. And number 1 is your niche. Your niche is very important when starting a YouTube channel. We have some niches that pays more, that advertisers are willing to pay more to place adverts on it. We have, for example, the tech, the finance and health. These niches are high valuable niches, and advertisers are willing to pay more for these particular videos. You know what I mean? If advertisers are willing to pay more to place adverts on your videos, meaning that YouTube will also pay you more for making a wonderful content. The second most important factors is your audience demographics. The kind of audience that watches your videos also contributes to the rate of your CPM. For example, if you have audience that are watching your videos from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, or some other developed countries, you are expected to earn more on your videos. So that's why you need to also pay attention to the kind of audience that are watching your videos. And it all depends on the type of content that you are creating. And also, the third important factors that you need to pay attention to is your watch time and your engagement. Your watch time and your engagement is the amount of time that people spend watching your videos. The more the people spend time watching your videos, interacting with your content, engaging with your videos, the YouTube algorithm recognizes your videos. It shows that your video is valuable, your video is important to people, and the algorithm will also recommend your videos to other people. And this topic, I'm going to talk about it in my next video about the YouTube recommendation, how the YouTube algorithm recognizes your videos and recommend it to other viewers. We also have a seasonality. This is a time of the year where the advertisers are willing to pay more for adverts, such as holiday season, like Christmas and New Year and many others. These are the time that the people spend more time on the internet. And because the people spend more time on the internet, advertisers are also willing to pay more because they want to get attention. So they will want to pay more in holidays, because that is the time that the people spend. That will be all for this video, and in my next video we'll be discussing about how you can optimize your YouTube videos to get more views, how you can create a high quality content, and how you can also engage with your audience for more watch time, engagement and interaction, and also how to target the right audience. Stay tuned for more videos like this one. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and drop a comment. I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed.